stand up if this is your first beauty school.
This is my first time at beauty school, and I am blown away.
The secret to being beautiful is to believe you are beautiful.
This is a sisterhood that I never experienced in my life until I got into Young Living. It's about letting people know that they can be exquisitely beautiful with who they are and healthy at the same time.
We get to share our knowledge, we get to learn from one another, and it's not just about health and wellness, but really about how we feel on the inside. That is what true beauty is. It's about celebrating our uniqueness, sharing with each other the love we have for each other, and creating a true sisterhood. It's amazing.
Just remember, you can achieve anything that you want if you put your mind to it.